Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting 10 easy lines on rainy season. So let us start. The rainy season is the monsoon season which starts in the month of July and lasts till September. Rainy season starts from the southern part of India with the onset of southwest monsoon wind. July and August are the rainiest months in the rainy season. Rainy season gives relief from intense heat wave after a long period of hot summer. Rainy season has very pleasant weather with cool breeze, rain showers, and the environment become clean and fresh due to heavy rain shower. Dark clouds and lightning are very common during the rainy season. Rainy season helps farmers by providing rainwater needed for good cultivation of crops. Rainy season gives us different types of fruits, flowers, and vegetables from plants and trees. Many big festivals like Ganesha Puja, Rakshabandhan, and 15 August fall in the rainy season. Rainy season is the favorite season of people of all age groups, including kids, adults, and elderly people. So friends, if you like the video, then please like and share the video, and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.